It just start right from the foot. On one out, number can't change tactics or he's a fraud. We are paying him for nothing. He should be sacked. He should be sacked. There's someone take from one of our two. Who back one boss? I'll check another how do you play a player and not give him the chance? How do you go 22 man squad? You go 22 man squad. Now I'm going to be one on every move today.
Out of 11 players, then if the 10 is the 3 players and above then we don't have a national team. The independent about stadium. Yeah, and everything to make with Fiana. Put on, bring the love back, bring the love back. Now we are showing you people the love. You're not playing, you are playing shit. Why? And I'm going to win a national team. Yes, France, yes, Argentina, yes, Senegal, yes, India. It's there. You just use the brand and I'm boss. Until we had a problem, no Black Star. No, problem is the players are not performing and the coach is shit. Sack him. After 2 years, I can't even single out a single thing that Otuado has done for this national team. Tell me, after 2 years from World Cup, good stage, down. To AFCON, good stage, down. Now we can't even qualify. What are you telling me? We can't even qualify. Why? Are they Brazil of Africa? What are you telling me?
The players that are not performing,
the players are not performing. They are playing. Look at Kudus in West Ham. Look at Semenyo. Look at Inaki Williams. How many players do you have to mention? See, let me tell you, we have players than every national team in Africa. From our keeper to our striker to our bench. Our bench is even mad. We have players than every national team. But what kind of football are you playing? We don't even have a star. We can't even say whether we are playing. We are playing. We don't even have it. Why? National team.
Yeah, the truth of the matter is, the team Sani Asa. In recent times, they call after. They call after a win massive. Mozambique, international, international, any other. Now, Central qualifies the team international. Central African Republic, international. Comoros for international. And then Sudan. But who could we needed to win? And that's a ball of marble. From coach to players. Now we have to blame. Otuado, he has some of the substitutions wrong. Even he has some of them very late. Kudus, Bolabo, Bobo. Otuado makes the same mistake every day. Otuado is the same. We needed somebody who had drive in the second half to come and play. Now still, who boys say like Shawuzi and Sulemana, 2 DMs. People say Mohamed Kudus, captain by the there is no teamwork. When Kudus on the line, from which goal do you want to score? If you get this chance and you can't equalize with this chance to be sharp,
so do you think we can qualify? Do you think we can qualify?
No, I probably shouldn't qualify. If we qualify, we will not do the right things. No, we won't give them our support again. Because today, the stadium was full. You can't say the stadium was full. I came in the second half running. The stress we have to go through to even enter the stadium today. Today, the stress we have to go through to enter the stadium. And the soldiers know. I don't I went to work. I work with.
The start in first half. Then I say you do more first half. First half, you can go on. And can one come for our bumble or your boom my prayer. I come to me you. Once the letter I feel on prayer draw. I feel on your points. You can't 3 points now. I can't first half and can say you more. But first half was intimate, second half also a chance. A chance I can teach you, you grandpa, and you came out. Baba could crumple boy. Get my back, but the next game I won't pay and say, if I call honey and say, I'm calling it. No, honey, I say, yeah, queen. Yeah, your points. Yes, I did. A blast and I see the queen here. A bed in the qualification.
And then the moon's a stadium now, Mapa.
Stadium,
who feels and then they see.
Stadium, supporters in the air, you buy, you be touching the cheek. But luck and I says, 3 points. Okay, 1 point.
Namamusa Okita, rest well, Christian Achu. I love you. What's behind this?
Christian Achu, Oyobia, the Mishanida, Minimida. Face me who said that because you don't know Tiasino. No, ya do it the one month for Sado, you know. Basically, I say, I'm the past, I don't know your 1 month for. I'm a for no, you're free. Sabi na debi am bon pa ese yan kokon fa ni currency na on fa ni susu fu damachi na mso bi am se put na metu aso de na oye no so I don't know debi am debi am ka kise na bi na kise oje onye magusu yan ni ni bi about na da na oye no ese na oye de kwa manfo pa ese na ma me debi am ba stadium blast na wo ma cha debi am ne ba na iba ebe kai no Kudus your friend Foster.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the Rich